truck air conditioner could be the best upgrade for long drives. What if you could keep your truck cab cool even when the engine is off? Imagine parking after a long day on the road, climbing into your cab, and enjoying refreshing air without idling your engine or sweating through the night. Sounds like a game changer? That's exactly why the Sunster 12 volts 24V semi-truck parking air conditioner is getting so much attention. But here's the real question. Can this parking AC actually make life more comfortable for truck drivers, bus operators, and heavy equipment owners? Let's find out. First impression. At first glance, this isn't your typical vehicle air conditioner. It's designed for trucks, buses, excavators, harvesters, agricultural machinery, and other heavy-duty vehicles that spend long hours on the road or in the field. And honestly, that's where things start getting interesting. 10,000 BTU cooling power. Heat isn't just uncomfortable, it can make resting, working, and driving much harder. With a cooling capacity rated around 10,000 BTU, this unit is designed to provide powerful air conditioning for vehicle cabins. Imagine stepping inside after your vehicle has been sitting in the sun all day. That's the kind of situation where cooling performance really matters. But wait. The next feature might be even more important. Parking air conditioner. Here's what makes this product stand out. Traditional vehicle air conditioning usually depends on the engine running. A parking air conditioner is designed for cooling while parked using the vehicle's electrical system, depending on the installation and power setup. For truck drivers spending nights on the road, that could make a huge difference in comfort. And that's exactly why more people are looking into systems like this. 12 volts and 24 volts compatibility. Flexibility matters. Whether you're using a 12 volts or 24 volts electrical system, this unit is designed to work with different types of vehicles. That opens the door for use in semi-trucks, buses, agricultural machines, excavators, harvesters, and many other work vehicles. But there's more. Split design. The split design helps make the system suitable for larger vehicle applications where efficient cooling and installation flexibility are important for many commercial vehicle owners. This type of setup can be a practical solution. Why people are searching for this AC? Think about it. Long-distance truck drivers, farm workers, construction crews, anyone spending hours inside a vehicle during hot weather knows how valuable, reliable cooling can be. The split design helps make the system suitable for larger vehicle applications where efficient cooling and installation flexibility are important for many commercial vehicle owners. This type of setup can be a practical solution. Why people are searching for this AC? Think about it. Long-distance truck drivers, farm workers, construction crews. Anyone spending hours inside a vehicle during hot weather knows how valuable, reliable cooling can be. Installation requirements, compatibility, power consumption, pricing, and included components may vary. That's why I recommend checking the link below this video. You'll find the latest specifications, pricing, available deals, and complete product details before making your decision. You might even discover features that weren't covered in this review. Now I want to hear from you. If you installed this air conditioner today, where would you use it? Semi-truck, bus, tractor, excavator, harvester? Comment your answer below. And here's another question. Would you rather have a powerful parking air conditioner or rely on your vehicle's factory AC? Let's hear your opinion. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, leave a comment. I read as many as possible. Share this video with someone who drives trucks or works with heavy equipment. Subscribe because it's absolutely free. And you'll never miss reviews of the latest truck accessories, heavy equipment upgrades, and smart gadgets. And don't forget to check the link below for more details about the Sunster parking air conditioner. It could be one of the most useful upgrades for your vehicle.